My name is Taresh and I'm a certified financial planner. My firm Advantage Financial Planners LLP is registered with SEBI as Registered Investment Advisor RIA. In this session, I'm going to talk to you about how you can invite me to your institution, college or university. So there are various fine subjects which need an expert who has knowledge, skills and the right kind of experience to talk about. So at your college or at your institution, you would like to call somebody who can speak on a specific focused subject, who has in-depth knowledge and knows what is to be delivered. So during my education, one as an MBA and then as CFP, and then my continued learning through various courses, seminars, workshops and so many learnings which I undertake, reading books, I have that kind of attitude which you may need when it comes to addressing your students or your particular participants or members at your institutions. So that's the expertise I'm talking about. This is Taresh Bhatia. Do call me, contact me, and my firm Advantage Financial Planners LLP, we will be able to help you and develop certain course or subject which will be narrow focused on the topic which you want, and we can make it tailor-made as per your course or curriculum. So this is Taresh Bhatia signing off. Let me know. Stay tuned. Happy investing. Thank you very much. Thank you.